Copying data from multiple Excel worksheets to create a master list, well, it's old and it's tired. Let's put away the copy and paste operations and let's take a look at Excel's VStack function to create your master lists. Let's take a look. Now, open in front of you, I've got the example file that I'm going to utilize to show off creating this master list utilizing Excel's VStack function. Now, I'm also making this file available for you to download so you can open it up and follow along with me. You'll find a link to this file in the video description, just right down below. Look for the OfficeNewb.com blog link, and inside of there, you'll find a link to download the file Excel monthly sales VStack #-01. So look for that link, download it, open it up, and follow along with me. Now, while you're down there, if you enjoyed the video, you learned something new, make sure you click that like button, the thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, make sure you also click that subscribe button so you get updates about new videos that we add to this channel each week on Microsoft Excel and other Office applications. All right, let's take a look. So inside this file, I've got a few worksheets. I've got January, February, and March. First three we're going to look at. Now, each of these monthly worksheets look almost identical, but they got records for that specific month. So on January, I got a table. It's got order date, order ID, customer region, product, and amount, and then records for the month of January. When I go to February, same structure, same headers, order date, order ID, customer region, and so on, but then records for February. And then I go to March, same story, same structure, but records for March. Now, what I'd like to do is combine all three of these data sets, January, February, March, into one master list. And I want this to show up on the All Months VStack worksheet. I've already got headers there. Now, before I start creating the VStack, it's important these three worksheets have all been formatted as a table. So when I click into a data set, I get the table design tab, and on there, I can see that I got a table name, Sales January. When I go to the February worksheet, same story, click into there, and I've got the Sales February, and the same goes for March. So all three have been formatted as a table, and this is going to become important when we start referencing the data. And if somebody gets back in and they update the January, February, March worksheets, I want that to then go to my master list. So I'm going to go to my All Months VStack. I'll click into A2, and it's a formula utilizing a function. I'm going to bring in equals and VStack. There it is. Now the VStack, all it needs is references to the different worksheets or different data ranges that you're going to stack together into one master list. Now it's VStack because it's going to be a vertical stack. So first one, I'll go to January. I'm going to grab that range, and right away inside my formula, I can see that it's going to utilize the sales January range. Then I'll do a comma, and I'm going to repeat the process for February. I'll grab its data, comma, and one more time for March, and I'll grab its data. And that's it. I'll close the parentheses, hit my enter key, and I've now stacked all of that data from the three separate worksheets into one master list. Now I want to make sure that all the data is formatted properly. Let's see, my months come through. That looks great. My amounts have come through. If they don't format properly, all you're going to do is just highlight those columns like the months and the currency and just format them from your home tab. Now, it is a formula and it is referencing table data. So if somebody comes in and adds a record or edits a record on the separate worksheets, this will then go to the master list that's utilizing the VStack function. So for example, if I hop into here, this is March, I'll just increase that table size, 2026, 03, we'll put one on the 20th, and we'll say this is for M2000, and it's for Acme Group, and this is going to go to the East region for widget, we'll say B. And this is going to go for $10,000. All right. So now that record's in there. I'll hop back to the all months. and we'll look for the February ones, and there it is right there. So you see the date did not get formatted. I'll just short date that one, and I'll drop the currency onto this record. So this is your VStack function. Make sure you try it out. So get rid of that copy and paste operation, copying data from multiple worksheets to create your master list, and introduce yourself to the VStack function. Quick, simple, all it needs is your multiple ranges, and it does the rest for you. Stacks all that data into one master list. Because it's a function, if your original data is formatted as a table, people make updates to that. It'll then go into the function and update your complete list. VStack, try it out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You learned something new. If you have, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you get updates on new videos that we add to this channel. Try it out, download the file, and I'll see you in the next video.